another thing that can inspire you to come up with rhythms are melodies. So a couple that I liked that I was thinking about when I was planning this are, this first one is from Joan Jett, and it's I Love Rock and Roll. I think that's a really fun rhythm idea. So this is our beat. I love rock and roll. Say it. I love rock and roll. I love rock and roll. You say, I love rock and roll. Play it. I love rock and roll. 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 Awesome. So if I'm playing my backbeat, and now I'm going to take a solo. I got 4 measures. I could go, I love rock and roll. I love rock and roll. I love rock and roll. And then back to my beat. So I played one easy rhythmic idea. I had it in my head, so it gave me kind of like a bass line, so I didn't have to come up with every single thing as I was starting to take a solo. I just had to decide which drums I was going to play that sort of melody on, right? We have high sounds and we have low sounds. So another example here would be Heathens by 21 Pilots. So that idea, all my friends are heathens, take it slow. I was thinking, oh, that's a really fun idea because the rhythm is really simple, but we can recreate it on the drums. We have our high, middle, and low. So, all my friends are heathens, take it slow. Let's try it again. Wait for them to ask us who you know. Let's do that part just again, those 2 lines. 2, ready, go. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Now just the drums. That's kind of cool, right? Like you're playing the song. I know a lot of times drummers, when they're playing solos, will try playing things like that, like actual songs, and see if anyone in the audience notices that they're playing an actual song like that.